for record here, guys. All right, 748 dividing powers with the same base. Our objective is to divide powers with the same base. Here it is. If we divide powers with the same base, a to the m divided by a to the m, all we do is subtract our exponents. Remember when we multiplied, we added? Well, the inverse of multiplying is dividing, and the inverse of adding is subtracting. So we just subtract our exponents. The base stays the same. Mistake that commonly happens, students actually divide the base. You don't divide the base stays the same. For example, we have h to the 7th divided by h to the 4th. All I do is 7 minus 4. That gives me h to the 3rd. That's my answer. I have x to the 4th divided by x to the 9th. When I subtract 4 minus 9, that gives me negative 5. That's not my answer because I have a negative exponent. I have to then do the reciprocal and get it that way. Another way to think about this, though, is look at this. Where are there more x's? Are there more x's in the numerator or are there more x's in the denominator? Good. Denominator it is. How many more? Meaning, well, how many more are there? If I get rid of this 4, I get rid of 4 from here, I'm left with 5. Look, these x's cancel out since there's more x's. X's can only be in the numerator or denominator when we simplify. It can't have the same base in two different places. So that leaves me with 1 over x to the 5th. That's it. That was a record. V5. All right. Pretty soon, though, next lesson, we're going to start combining everything together. And your mastery check.